Hi everyone, I'm Sam from FarmLab and we're out here today in beautiful New England doing some soil sampling. Earlier today, Precision Pastures took an EM38 survey of the paddock, which we've put into FarmLab, created some zones to understand the variability of soil across the paddock. We're now sampling one of those zones today.
Family has a little property called Myanbah, about 20 kilometres north of Uralla in the beautiful New England tablelands, and it's a fairly common property or common enterprise we have here, sheep and cattle. The country is quite variable, but it's typically based on fairly coarse granite and some ironstone as well. We have some arable parts of the property and some quite hilly rocky parts you can see over my shoulder. We'd like to know what bottlenecks we have to improve the production that is to generate pasture for our sheep and cattle. The next step would be to see our ability to, or our feasibility for us to undertake a carbon sequestration project, and that starts with understanding our current carbon levels. We know that increasing carbon content is beneficial from a production point of view, but if we can also be creating carbon credits at the same time, essentially we would be able to produce another valuable commodity by improving the carbon content of our own soils.
Well, first of all, we're doing some induction for some new staff to take on some roles at Precision Pastures. We've done an EM38 survey to establish the conductivity across a paddock. It's been zoned, and we're at the moment we're attacking certain points within those zones with a deep core sampler. Trying to zone the soil types so that we can treat them differently from other soil types. So it's more targeted, more strategic in the approach to how you might treat the soil health. We can drive to a point and navigate to a point. We can scan the samples into FarmLab, and we can send them directly to the lab based on that scanning, so that we're trying to break down the complexities of getting it from the ground to the lab, and it's working really well.